Such a beautiful day here in El Nido. All the boats are getting ready to go out. We've been picked up, so that's good. And this is our boat here. Price Bearer 3. Other than the old coconut floating in the water.
So like to stay 30 minutes, we'll stay. If I call you to go back on the boat, please come with us and go back on the boat. Okay? That we can go on 4 or 5 destinations. And for today, we're going on the Big Lagoon first. Okay? Because we don't know if the weather will change later. It's better that we can go on the Big Lagoon while it have like sunshine, it's sunny, yeah. Because it's not good to go on the Big Lagoon if don't have any sun, okay? Because the color of the water is
So at the first stop here, yeah, this is the first stop.
Now we're here.
Look at the crystal one. Oh, the crystal.
You want the crystal one?
How much?
400.
Oh yeah, we can do that. We want the crystal one.
You want one? Kayo ma'am, dalawa, isa lang.
Welcome to Cooking with Kevin. What's on the menu today, Kevin?
I just preparing the fruits.
The fruits.
They prepare some of the seafoods.
We got chicken and noodles. We got some. What type of fish are they?
It's like a family of tuna,
Okay.
but it's four. That's why we called it forna.
Fauna.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's two, tuna. But it's four.
Very good.
Rice is life.
No Filipino meal without rice.
crabs.
Oh, crabs.
Wow.
Vaya, vaya.
Wow. Yeah, and there's
This is like terrifying for me.
dito na lang ba, ma'am? Okay na to.
Hey, now at Seven Commandos Beach here in El Nido, so let's have a look. This is a popular afternoon stop for most of the boats. They stop here, you can swim. See the islands in the background. And El Nido town's just around the corner. Got a bar over here too. Let's check out how expensive the stuff is here.
Very fun, yeah.
So look at the prices.
Okay, bukas pa, babay.
Wait lang po pala sir, 300, 150, 600. 500 po na pala ko sa inyo, no? Oo. Ano po pala?
So that was a great day on the Tour 8. It was a little bit crowded in some of the spots, but yeah, it was a great day. Nice lunch and some really nice people on the boat today. So that was a good tour. Welcome back to I said it again. El Nido. I've got to stop saying Coron. Welcome back to El Nido. So one thing I did notice is that the tour boats here are slightly smaller than what's in Coron. Coron seems to have bigger boats, but maybe you're traveling longer distances and stuff like that. But very similar craft, very safe, no problems. They all have life jackets, and the Coast Guard is pretty regimented on making sure everything is followed to procedures and stuff like that. So a really good day on Tour A. Certainly recommend Tour A. Although it has been a bit busy at some of the spots, and we didn't really get in close enough, so you had a bit of a swim. But the little vendors that sell drinks and that are happy to tow you back to the boat or tow you into the shore as long as you buy something from them, which, you know, it's pretty good return. So, and a bit of fun at the same time. Really is a special piece of paradise here in El Nido. It's got a good vibe, really laid back, good for a relaxing holiday. Just to chill out if you like water activities, so snorkeling, swimming, exploring. Really good day. Thoroughly recommend it.